Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Florida Prepaid Schoolhouse. Please come a little closer to the stage and have a seat. We are about to start today's lesson. Great job. Come right in.
We are so excited that you've joined us at school with us today.
Hi, I'm Miss Ivy.
And I'm Miss Autumn.
Will you all shout out your names on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Michael! It's so great to have you guys here today. Hello, my friends.
Hello, my friends.
We're so happy to meet you.
Hello, my friends.
Hello, my friends. School is now in session. We're teaching a special lesson today in celebration of a holiday.
Can you all tell us what holiday we're celebrating today?
Halloween, yes! Here at LEGOLAND, we call it Brick or Treat.
Every year, Halloween is celebrated on October 31st. But here, we like to celebrate the whole month long.
Witches and ghosts,
Witches and ghosts,
cobwebs, mummies and monsters.
spiders and bats.
Ooh, spiders and bats. It's time to learn about Halloween. It's time to learn about Halloween.
Halloween is the spookiest time of year. Everyone around the world celebrates it.
But Halloween and Brick or Treat are part of a much bigger season. Seasons are the different times of year when the weather changes from warm to cold.
There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Do you all know what season Halloween falls into? Shout it out! I gave it away a little bit, didn't I?
Just a little.
Fall is correct.
Fall is known for harvesting all types of plants and vegetables that were planted in the spring and summer. For example, raise your hand if you've ever had a carrot. Ooh, yeah.
Those are picked during the fall. Oh, what about apples? Have you all had apples?
Yes, but what is the most famous plant of fall? We'll give you a hint. It's orange. Pumpkins!
That's right! Pumpkins are the most popular fall and Halloween plants around. And did you know that a pumpkin is technically a fruit? Think about when you're carving a pumpkin and you take out all the squishy insides. There are seeds inside, just like an apple.
Earlier today, we decided to decorate our classroom with a bunch of pumpkins, which gave us an idea for our lesson. Now, raise your hand if you know how to count to 10. Oh, you do? Oh, wonderful. Well, let's count to 10 all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great, let's sing a song about counting pumpkins.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins in all. But counting is more fun when you do it as a group.
Yes, would you all like to sing along with us?
Here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins in all. Great job! But I think we could go a little bit faster.
A little bit faster?
I think so.
All right.
Will you sing a little faster with us? Here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins in all. I think we could go even faster.
Really?
Yep, here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins in all. 10 little pumpkins in all.
Oh, wow! We did it!
You guys were so great at counting pumpkins.
You know, I'm a little bit hungry for some pumpkin pie now.
Pumpkin pie is delicious, but what do we look forward to most during the Halloween season? Yes, pumpkins are great, but what do we want to eat all the time during Halloween?
Yes, that's right.
But how did candy become such a popular treat during fall?
Well, you see, even though Halloween has been known by many different names throughout the years, like All Hallows Eve, for example, one thing has always remained the same. People of all ages would dress up in a costume, go about town knocking on people's doors asking for sweets. Do you all know what that's called? Trick-or-treating, yes, and here at LEGOLAND, we call it brick-or-treating.
You said that people dress up in costume? I see that some of you are dressed up as well. On the count of 3, I want you all to shout out what costume you are wearing. 1, 2, 3! Oh, you guys look so great!
If you didn't wear a costume today, or maybe haven't picked one out yet, we might be able to give you a few ideas. We found a box full of Halloween costumes.
Will you all help us figure out what costumes are in our box?
Yes!
Oh, thank you so much!
Okay, everyone, what am I dressed up as? A witch! That's right!
Great job! With a cute little spider, too.
Knock, knock, trick or treat, who are you? I'm a witch, I'm a scary witch. Knock, knock, trick or treat, who are you? I'm a witch, I'm a scary witch. Dressing up as a witch is so much fun. Okay, everybody stand up, and when I say abracadabra, I'll cast a spell that will turn you all into frogs. All right, are you ready? Abracadabra! Come around, they ribbon! I hate the frogs! Abracadabra, you're all human again.
Ooh, what is this costume? A mummy? Oh, I think you guys are right. And look, it even has pockets. Knock, knock, brick or treat, who are you? I'm a mummy, I'm a little mummy. Knock, knock, brick or treat, who are you? I'm a mummy, I'm a little mummy. Mummies are so cool, you can find them in the pyramids of Egypt, or even in museums. On the count of 3, I want you all to walk around like mummies do. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Look at all of these mummies! Look at this! Oh my God, look, so many mummies, so little time! Good job! You know that mummies love giving presents? The gift wrapping is their favorite part.
All right, everyone, what am I dressed up as? That's right! Knock, knock, trick or treat, who are you? I'm a vampire, I'm a spooky vampire. Knock, knock, trick or treat, who are you? I'm a vampire, I'm a spooky vampire. Vampires have fangs, sleep in coffins, wear really cool capes, and turn into bats. All right, let's all act like vampires on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Flap your wings like a bat. Maybe have some fangs. Wow, you all make such scary vampires. Oh, I really thought you had fangs for a moment. Woo!
The last costume in the box is this one. What could I be? A pirate? You know what? I think you guys are right. Good job, students. Knock, knock, trick or treat, who are you? I'm a pirate, I'm a rowdy pirate. Knock, knock, trick or treat, who are you? I'm a pirate, I'm a rowdy pirate. Pirates sail the seas on a pirate ship. They steal treasure, fight with swords, and they never take a bath. On the count of 3, I want us all to say "arr" and act like pirates. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we're swabbing the deck a little bit, huh? Never taking a bath. Ooh, we got some belly pirates, huh? Great job, pirates. You are all ready the 7 Brixies.
Thank you all so much for helping us name all these costumes. I can't wait to go trick-or-treating.
Oh, me too.
Knock, knock, trick-or-treat, who are you? What will be your costume? It's up to you, it's up to you.
Great job, everyone. You can go ahead and sit back down. Perfect.
Wow, we have learned so much about Halloween today, and there still is so much to learn about Halloween. How about we review what we learned in today's lesson?
Absolutely. Pumpkins are a fruit. Halloween has been around for a long, long time, and people all over the world dress up in costume to go trick-or-treating for candy. Wow, we really learned a lot today, didn't we?
We did. And to thank you all for helping us with our lesson today, we've got a very special surprise for you.
Ooh.
Can anyone guess what this is?
Broccoli!
Awesome. Stay seated for now, okay? In just a moment, we'll give you a treat. Sugary treats,
Sugary treats,
candy corn gummies and chocolate.
so many sweets.
Ooh, so many sweets. The best surprises, candy.
You all didn't think we were going to talk about candy without giving you some, right?
Great job. Stay right where you are, and in just a moment, we'll hand you your sugary treat. Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, my friends.
It was wonderful to meet you.
Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, my friends. Let's go trick or treating. Let's go, let's go, let's go